In the previous video, we had seen how to model all the parts of screw jack. This is a video here, you can see this. And I had forgotten how to assemble them. So in this video, we'll be assembling all those parts that we had created in our previous video. So in order to assemble them, you'll have to go for a new file, click on assembly, click open, and press escape. First, let us save it. Just save it. Save it to the same place. So screw jack assembly, I'll just name it assembly, and then I'll have to insert the components one by one. So while inserting, you just have to click on browse, and you have to browse to each and every part that you want to insert. So first, let me go for body. Body part will be placed, and you can see the first part that I insert will get fixed automatically. Go for insert again, browse, and we can go for all of the parts one by one, or you can just press Ctrl and select all these parts at once. So click open, and all these parts you'll be able to insert them one by one. Fine. So having inserted all those parts together, the body is already fixed, so you can directly start mating these parts. The first part that you have to mate is this one with this. So it will become a revolute joint. You can just raise and make it like this. Next, what we want to do is we want this face to be in contact with this one. So that has got mated. Click OK. Next, this cylindrical surface with this cylindrical surface, we can raise and make it fall. So this needs to keep rotating and moving down and up the same way. Next, we will have to take up this one with this one. So once again, it has become axis. The axes have got coincided. You'll have to raise this part up, just like this. Next, what I'll do is I'll just take this face, and make it coincide with this face. Click OK. Next, I'll have to take this washer. So let me take this plane and make it coincide with this plane here. Fine. So that will bring them both to the same level, and it will be moving in the same plane. Next, I'll have to coincide their axis. So I can just select this cylindrical surface, and along with that, any cylindrical surface you can just click on. So that will make sure the cylindrical surface, the axis of the two surfaces selected, they will coincide. Finally, I'll have to assemble this. So axis of this cylindrical surface with the axis of this cylindrical surface. It has gone inside. Click OK. Fine. Bringing it up is going to be difficult. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to hide some of the parts. Body, I can hide it. In order to hide, you just have to click on this part in the navigation and click on this eye. It will hide. So go on hiding whatever parts you don't want. And yes, at some point you'll be able to see this part like this. Then I can just unhide it by clicking it once again. So after doing this, the last mate was created a little bit wrongly, so I'll just have to go to editing that mate. And here we want this in opposite direction, so you just have to click on this point. Okay, this will reverse the screw in proper direction, proper orientation. And now I'll have to mate the two surfaces together. So go to mate, and the surface has got to come in contact with this surface. So you can see it has chosen the coincident mate automatically. That means it will mate coincidentally. Fine. And yes, that's it. That's all the mates we have applied, and you can unhide all the geometry that was hidden previously. Yes, and you have this ready. You can see that it is rotating, at the same time it's moving up and down. Finally, the tummy bar, you'll have to again mate it, this cylindrical surface with this one. So I think that's it. That's all you need to do with the assembly. You can see it is behaving as we expect it to. Of course, some limits and other stuff we need to provide along with the threading and some relations in order to make it operational perfectly. But this is going to be enough from this particular lab point of view. So hope you all practice and come in the lab, and the same you'll be execute properly over here. Thank you for watching the video. If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to the channel to remain updated about our future videos.